let's explore Claveria Misamis Oriental and visit one of the most popular tourist destinations for local and tourists on Route 955.
Ipanumpa kong titikabian o pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong tigyo ko mubuhi.
Featuring a gigantic ostrich tree located near the boundaries of Barangays Luna in Claveria Misamis Oriental along Route 955 just in front of Mom Remy's residence and a few meters away from Claveria View Deck. It's amazing to both traveler and local due to its unique form that resembles an ostrich, making it one of the most favorite tourist spot among motorists along Route 955. So, samahan niyo kami. Let's explore the Ostrich Tree in Claveria Misamis Oriental.
Ipanumpa kong titikabian o pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong tigyo ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino. Ako ang dalang